Hey there, YouTubers! Have you ever stumbled upon a YouTube channel with millions of subscribers and views, yet there's absolutely no one in front of the camera? No face? No voice? Well, that's YouTube automation. Let me guide you step by step on how to start your own YouTube automation business. You might think starting such a successful channel is only reserved for the elite or those with a huge budget. I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Many people who attempt to set up these channels fail, and typically for three main reasons: burnout, not using the right tools, and inconsistency. Let's kick things off with some essential YouTube terminology that is vital for your automation journey. Understanding these terms will help you navigate the YouTube universe like a pro. 1 CPM, cost per mille. This metric shows how much advertisers are willing to pay to get their ads in front of your viewers. It's a crucial indication for revenue potential, especially when you're on the path to monetization. 2 RPM, revenue per mille. Unlike CPM, which is what advertisers pay, RPM is how much you actually make per 1,000 views of your videos. It's essential to track this because it gives you a realistic view of your earnings. 3. Watch time. This is arguably the most critical metric for your success on YouTube. On YouTube Studio, it's also referred to as audience retention. This measures the total time viewers spend watching your videos, which directly influences how YouTube ranks your content. 4 CTR, click-through rate. This number reflects how often viewers click on your video after seeing the thumbnail. A higher CTR means your thumbnail is working effectively in drawing an audience. Now, here's the kicker. With over 2 billion users, YouTube is an incredible treasure trove for creators. But how do you stand out in such a crowded market? That's where smart strategies come into play. Efficiency and automation can be your best friends here. Getting started. When we talk about YouTube automation, we usually refer to delegating various tasks to different freelancers or pulling in smart automation tools. You might not want to hire scriptwriters, video editors, or voiceover artists right away. It can become quite expensive. When starting out, it's smart to bootstrap your channel with effective, cost-efficient methods. Below is a list of 6 free tools that will make your video creation process speedy and effective while keeping costs low. 1. CapCut or Filmora. These are user-friendly video editing software options that are packed with features and make editing a breeze, even for beginners. 2. Canva. An excellent tool for creating stunning thumbnails and graphics that attract viewers. 3. Vidic. A powerful platform for niche research and analytics, which will help you understand what makes a successful channel within your chosen niche. 4. ChatGPT. An AI tool that can assist in generating scripts and content ideas, saving you an enormous amount of time. 5. Pexels or Pixabay. Ideal resources for high-quality stock videos and sound effects you can use to enhance your content without needing to film everything yourself. 6th, Clipchamp, a handy platform for text-to-speech options, allowing you to create voiceovers for your videos without needing to record your own voice. Now, let's be clear. While you won't just press a magic button and have the content produced for you, these tools significantly streamline the creative process. All it takes is a little effort and ingenuity combined with the right resources. Choosing the right niche is essential for your success as a content creator. While the multitude of potential topics can be daunting, focusing on your personal interest can keep you motivated and help you generate authentic content. Currently, several high-performing niches promise significant audience engagement and monetization opportunities, including 1. Business and finance. Content surrounding investment strategies, money management, and side hustles is increasingly popular. 2. Technology and gadgets. Unboxings, reviews, and tutorials about the latest tech devices cater to viewers eager to stay informed. 3. Education and tutorials. Sharing knowledge can establish you as an authority and attract a dedicated following. 4. Health and wellness. Topics about fitness routines, nutrition, and mental health are currently trending. 5. Personal development. Advice on mindfulness and productivity can engage an audience seeking self-improvement and growth. Conversely, niches marked by high competition, such as meditation sounds, reaction videos, and generic comedy compilations, may be less advantageous initially. When selecting a niche, it's vital to avoid focusing solely on high earning potential, as this could lead to burnout. Instead, consider your long-term vision and unique ideas that can fill gaps in the market. Once you settle on a niche, conducting thorough market research becomes necessary. Analyze successful channels in your chosen area by bookmarking similar channels and noting their most popular videos based on views and engagement. Studying their top-performing content to understand what resonates with audiences. Utilizing tools like Social Blade to track channel performance and growth. This research should inform your content strategy, not serve as a template for imitation. Pay close attention to video lengths, thumbnail styles, and title conventions to guide your own content creation. For scripting your videos, leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT can save you considerable time and effort. You can generate a script for various topics swiftly, allowing you to focus on crafting the final product while maintaining your unique voice. Next, for voiceover creation, platforms like Clipchamp offer user-friendly options, including text-to-speech features. You can customize voice pitch, speed, and tone, thereby ensuring a high-quality audio output while preserving your anonymity. After the voiceover phase, you can enter the editing stage using tools like CapCut, where you'll import your audio, add visuals, synchronize elements, enhance with effects, and review your edits. Equally important are video thumbnails, which serve as the gateway to your videos. Creating eye-catching thumbnails via Canva involves selecting a template, customizing colors, adding images, and ensuring that text overlays are engaging yet straightforward. Researching successful thumbnails from other channels can provide insights into trends that might increase your video's click-through rate. Finally, understanding YouTube's algorithm is crucial for success. Key metrics include audience retention, which measures viewer engagement, click-through rate, CTR, influenced by views and thumbnails, watch time, as longer viewing sessions increase visibility, and session time, which tracks whether viewers watch more of your content. To maintain audience engagement, start your videos with a compelling hook, deliver content at a dynamic pace, utilize visuals, and actively encourage audience interaction through questions and prompts. By following these strategies, you can position yourself for long-term success in your chosen niche. Here's the kicker. Consistency is essential in the YouTube world. Don't expect overnight success. True growth takes time. When you first start uploading, aim for a schedule that suits you, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Setting a content calendar can help you stay organized and prevent burnout. Once you establish a rhythm and start generating income, consider outsourcing some tasks, like editing or thumbnail creation, to focus on your core content. Best tools for YouTube automation. To drive your YouTube journey even further, here's a deep dive into some of the top automation tools available to you. 1. AI Studios by DeepBrain AI. This revolutionary tool allows creators to automate video production. Simply input a topic or script, and AI Studios generates your video, saving you from the lengthy manual process. Perfect for creators wanting to maximize content volume while minimizing effort. 2. TubeBuddy. A useful browser extension that provides a suite of tools helping you grow and manage your channel. Its SEO tools for video optimization ensure your titles and descriptions hit the mark, while multitask features make organizing a breeze. 3. VidiQ. It offers powerful insights into what's trending, along with SEO recommendations, helping you refine your video's metadata to reach a larger audience. 4. Social Blade. Not just for tracking performance, but great for understanding best practices. Knowing when to post and what works can be invaluable in refining your strategy. 5. Zapier. Want to automate social media sharing? Zapier is your go-to. It allows you to link YouTube with multiple other apps seamlessly, ensuring smooth workflows and more time focusing on content. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools needed to set up your own YouTube automation business from the ground up. As the landscape of content creation continues to evolve rapidly, remember that success in this arena requires not just skill, but also patience, consistent effort, and strategic planning. With the right tools and an unwavering commitment to your vision, you are well on your way to establishing a thriving channel. So here's your call to action. Are you ready to transform your passions into a fully automated YouTube empire? Share your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more valuable tips on navigating the ever-changing YouTube landscape.